No.
You're going to Super Silver.
No, I don't want to go to Super Silver.
Yeah, Super Silver.
This skin is poop. Look at it.
Valorant Go? What?
Yeah, I don't even know what that is.
That's unreal.
Best is
People don't joke about that anymore.
Why are you playing Honey Pie? I just clicked on stream.
That's the birthday completion.
Oh snap! I'm happy.
Girl, don't you stop till you're my girl, and I won't stop it until you're my girl, and you can't stop it until you're my girl, and I can't find out what you want, what you got. I got that honey pie, come bite it. Bring your own fork, girl, you know I don't provide it.
You can tell it's old toy because the fucking arena size constantly changes.
Yep, it sounds alright.
Yep, that is
It's really
good.
big. Obese.
You know, like silly Achilles.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah,
that's a clear. I just saw a clear. A clear that's not supposed to happen.
What?
I saw a clear happen on the linear and it wasn't right. Why'd I put go here like it's not obvious? Or go here at the freaking 2 miles per hour bubble.
You're my girl, and I won't stop it until you're my girl, and you can't stop it until you're my girl.
I really couldn't have chosen like a separate enemy from those linears. See, that's not right. That's not right. This clear's not right.
Don't you stop, you're my girl, and I won't stop it until you're my girl, and you can't stop it until you're my girl, and I can't.
You're far, Frenzy. Don't choke now. Cursor violently shaking
Oh.
with fear.
We GG. Now,
did it.
what if I put like a million bullet bursts at the end?
I just beat it, so it doesn't matter.
No Frenzy beat it. Yay, S+. You drew the S and the plus. Oh my god.